And next see the synchronous counter. Synchronous up counter. Okay, first see the design steps for synchronous counter. First step is find out the number of flip-flops, and second step is draw the state diagram, and third step is choice of flip-flops and excitation table. Here choice of flip-flops means in this synchronous counter we are using the either JK flip-flop or T flip-flop. Okay, and fourth step is minimal expression for excitation table, and last step is draw the logic diagram. Let us see the first one, design of a synchronous 3-bit up counter by using the JK flip-flop. This is the synchronous counter, synchronous up counter. Here we are using the 3-bit. It is also known as mod 8 up counter. Okay, here first given data, write down the given 3-bit. Okay, here small n equal to 3. What is the condition? Capital N is less than or equal to 2 power of n. Here n is the mod n. Okay, that is n is less than or equal to 2 power of n is 3. So this is n is less than or equal to 8. So it is called mod 8 up counter. Okay, here the what is the first step? Number of flip-flops. Here number of bits equal to number of bits equal to number of flip-flops. Here number of bits are 3. So number of flip-flops are also 3 flip-flops. Here we are using the flip-flop is JK flip-flop. Okay. So we considering the 3 JK flip-flops, and second step is state diagram, and second one is the state diagram. Okay, in state diagram here number of flip-flops are 3 flip-flops. So we considering the 3 inputs, that is 0 0 0. Okay, here number of states equal to 8. Number of states equal to 8. Okay, 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is the state diagram. Here in given problem we are using the up counter. Okay, so arrow mark indicates the down arrow. Here this is the 0 0 is the present state, P dot S. This arrow indicates the next state. Okay, 0 0 1, this is the present state, next state is 0 1 0. Okay, and this is the next state, and 3 is next state 4, 4 is next state 5, 5 is next state 6, 6 is next state 7, 7 is 0. Okay, this is the state diagram. And next, third step is choice of flip-flops and excitation table. Here the flip-flop is used JK flip-flop. So draw the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Excitation table for JK flip-flop. Here excitation table is Qn plus 1 JK 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 1 x x x x 1 0. This is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Okay, and next excitation excitation table for choice of flip-flop. Here excitation table for JK flip-flop. By using this excitation table, draw the final excitation table. Excitation table for JK flip-flop. Okay, here this is the present states. Present state is Q3, Q2, Q1, and next state is N dot S, Q3, Q2, Q1, and outputs. Here how many flip-flops you are using? 3. So J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1. Okay, this is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Present state and next state and outputs. Okay, here the present states are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 7. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this is a present state. The next state is 1. 0, 0 is the present state. Next state is 1 and next state 1 is present state. Next state is 2. 2 binary number and 2 is 3 and 3 is 4, 4 is 5, 5 is 6, 6 is 7 and 7 is 0. Okay, and here by using this JK excitation table and note down the JK outputs. Okay, here present state Qn is the present state, Qn plus 1 is the next state. Here both are 0 zeros, 0x. This present state is 0 and this next state is 0. 0, 0, 0x. Here you considering the Q3 and present state Q3 and next state Q3. So note down the J3, K3 outputs and 0, 0, 0x and again 0, 0, 0x and 0, 1, 0, 1, 1x and 1, 1, x0 and 1, 1, x0 and again 1, 1, x0 and 1, 0, x1. Okay, these are the J3, K3 outputs. And next find out the J2 and K2. Observe Q2 and present state Q2 and next state Q2. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0x and next 0, 1, 0, 1, 1x and 1, 1, 1, 1, x0 and next 1, 0, x1 and next 0, 0, 0x and 0, 1, 1x and 1, 1, x0 and next 1, 0, 1, 0, x1. Okay, these are the J2, K2 outputs. And next find out the J1, K1 outputs. Here observe Q1 and Q1 present state and Q1 next state inputs. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1x and 1, 0, 1, 0, x1 and next 0, 1, 1x and 1, 0, 1, 0, x1 next 0, 1, 1x and next 1, 0, x1 and next 0, 1, 1x and 1, 0, x1. These are the outputs for 3 flip-flops. Okay, and next fourth step is minimally expression for excitation table. This is excitation table, and find out the equations J3 K3 and J2 K2 and J1 K1. How to find out? By using the K maps. Okay, minimally expression for excitation table. So find by using K map and find out the Boolean expression. First, K map for J3, K map for J3 output. Here, present state we are considering the inputs. Okay, 3 inputs and draw the 8-cell K map structure. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is Q2 bar, Q1 bar, Q2 bar, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q1 bar. This is Q3 bar, Q3. Okay, this is K map for J3. Here, 0 cell is 0, 1 cell is 0, and second cell is 0, third cell is 1, and remaining all are X. Here we are grouping the 3 and 7. Okay, what is the product term here? This is Q2 and Q1. Q2 and Q1. So finally, J3 equal to Q2 and Q1. Okay, and next find out the K map for K3. Okay, this one also 8-cell K map structure, and here 0 cell is X, 1 cell is X, second cell is X, third cell is X, fourth cell is 0, fifth cell is 0, sixth cell is 0, seventh cell is 1. Here the grouping is these both are, and here this is Q2 and Q1. Q2, Q1. Then finally K3 equal to Q2, Q1. Okay, this is the K3 equation. And next find out the K map for J2. K map for J2. Okay, this one also 8-cell K map structure. Here 0 cell, observe these outputs. 0 cell is 0, 1 cell is 1, second cell is X, third cell is X, fourth cell is 0, fifth cell is 1, sixth cell is X, seventh cell is also X. Okay, here the grouping is these 4 cells. Okay, here the product term here, this is Q2 bar and Q1. This is Q2 and Q1. Q1 is the common variable, that is Q1. Okay, then finally J2 equal to Q1. And next K map for K2. Draw the 8-cell K map structure. Here J2 outputs, 0 cell is X, 1 cell is X, second cell is 0, third cell is 1, fourth cell is X, fifth cell is X, sixth cell is 0, seventh cell is 1. Here the grouping is these 4 cells. The common variable is, this is Q2 bar and Q1, Q2, Q1. Q1 is the common variable. Okay, then finally K2 equal to Q1. And next K map for J1. Okay, this one also 8 cells K map structure. Okay, here J1 is 1, second cell is X, fourth cell is 1, third cell is X, fourth cell is 1, fifth cell is X, sixth cell is 1, seventh cell is X. Here grouping is these 8 cells. So finally 1. So J1 equal to 1. Okay, and next K map for K1. This one also 8 cells K map structure. Here 0 cell is X, 1 cell is 1, second cell is X, third cell is 1, and fourth cell is X, fifth cell is 1, sixth cell is X, seventh cell is 1. Here the grouping is these 8 cells. This is 8 cell grouping. So finally this is 1. Finally K1 equal to 1. Here J1 and K1 both are 1 1. You don't draw the K maps. You also find out the, you already know the, here J1 K1, observe these outputs 1x x1 1x x1 1x x1. This is the repeated. So finally J1 equal to K1 equal to 1. You also write down the J1 equal to K1 equal to 1. And next fifth step is draw the logic diagram. Logic diagram. Observe this logic diagram. Here how many flip flops are used? 3 flip flops. 1 2 3. So first draw the 3 flip flops. This is flip flop 1, flip flop 2, and this is flip flop 3. Here we are using the JK flip flop. That is, first flip flop is considering the LSB bit. Okay, this is J1 K1 Q1 bar, and this is J2 K2 Q2 bar, and this is J3 K3 Q3 bar. Here we are using the synchronous up counter. In synchronous we are using the same clock pulse. This is the C dot P indicates the clock pulse. Same clock pulse. Same clock pulse. Okay, here J1 K1 both are 1 1. So J1 and K1 are connected to 1. Okay, directly connect the 1. And J2 K2, here J2 K2 are Q1. This is the Q1. This output is connected to the J2 and K2. Okay, and next J3 K3. J3 K3 is connected to Q2 into Q1. Observe, this is AND gate. So draw the AND gate. Here this is Q2 and this is the Q1. Okay, in both AND gate is there. So draw the AND gate. This output is connected to the J3 and K3. Okay, and this is the logic diagram. Okay, this is in synchronous up counter. Okay, this is overall about the synchronous up counter.